Hello, you beautiful soul. This is Jeannie, and welcome to the Intuitive Mindset. In 2005, when I went through my own spiritual journey and awakening, I learned early on that there was never going to just be one path, that there was never one way to heal, one modality that was going to heal me. In fact, I learned the opposite. I learned there was many different ways to heal. And that as I expanded, so did my consciousness and my vibration and everything around me. So this is truly the base of this channel. I want to help others elevate and expand and learn and grow and continue to learn and grow. And I do that by doing interviews from people from around the world who have an inspiring story worth sharing, or a modality or a process that helped them that they would like to share with others. If any of this or all of this interests you, or you'd like to collaborate with me, please reach out to me and let's do this. Let's change the world one video at a time. Namaste.